Computer science at Riverdale is interdisciplinary, but also allows students to think beyond the discipline while acquiring skills such as critical thinking, problem solving, and to utilize a growth mindset. Our aim is to catalyze big thinking to help students address topics both in daily life and to make a significant difference in the world at large.
This year in computer science, our department is growing. We have a lot of new programs, including a new graduation requirement. To meet that graduation requirement, we offer students 3 courses. There's visual coding, which is art-based and using processing in Java. We have web development that uses HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We also have robotics, so students can look at the introduction to robotics. Take a look at anything that we do today in our world. Everything has some root in types of computer science, right? So why not give students that autonomy to build solutions for themselves or for others? And seeing that the same tools that other people are using to give to us are tools that they can easily learn themselves, so that way they can produce solutions for the local community or for a greater good.
After students have studied a lot of computer science and developed a lot of tools, we have a course for seniors called Capstone, where students can use all of the skills they've developed to plan, pitch, and develop a social impact startup solution. And they learn about social entrepreneurship, they learn about communication, about pitching, about research, and about getting something off the ground, and then they actually do it.
This is our demo mock-up. If you click on the extension, you'll be able to enter any phrases that you want to look up, and then you can see different claims that are related, as well as basically the veracity, how true it is.
Students have this opportunity to really embrace what they use every day, really being able to evaluate and assess the technology they're using. And I think the biggest piece of this is that they also have the opportunity to build solutions themselves.